I want to say I applaud everybody who's doing mobile tire changes with just their hands and no equipment. Respect. And I mean on light duty vehicles, because trucks, we all know, a little bit easier to put on, but on a smaller vehicle with a 16, 15, 14, 17, 18-inch rim, it can be kind of hard to pop the seal on one of these. Not to mention if you've got a tire that's got some good thick thread on it, or it's got some thick sidewalls, it's almost damn near impossible.
Thank you! What did I tell you?
I mean, I'm not experienced to talk like that, but I'm just saying, if I didn't have this machine, I wouldn't be doing mobile tire changes. So props to you guys. Much respect.